Now age can't be name, age has to be number only. Your roll number is there, your employee ID is there, your other examples where you only have a number. In that option, what we can do as the Excel programmer, I can simply put these criterias over there and avoid having any error or any mistake which might be done by a third party agency who is entering the data in my Excel sheet. So I predefine those commands in the Excel sheet just to avoid any error in the Excel. So I keep on entering the number over there, but the moment if I write any text, it will give me the error and it won't let me go ahead. I have to enter the number only. So likewise, we have many more options today that we are going to do, which are going to be the combination of either the text or the number, and maybe we can do something for the date as well, just to ensure, we are playing more with the options. So I hope it's clear to everybody, and I'm going to do some more situational examples. Okay, there's one doubt. If we write a number after a text, okay, let's see that. Why don't we try that? So a number after a text. Just a minute. So if I write, see, it has not taken. So even if you write a text, after the number, it won't take. It will only take the number. See, that option that you're telling, it may be available maybe in the text or maybe in the string option that we have in the Excel. So when we define the string may have your text and your alphabets also. And we'll be doing more with that. Let's go step by step so that we don't confuse with the number and with the text and with the string, right? So in this case, let me just try another option. If I write the text first and then the number and then the text, it will give me the error because it is having the text. Let me do one more try with this. I just write the text and just a number, it will give me the error. So please remember, when it is a numeric data type, it will only take the numeric data. But when you're defining the text at times, remember when we have to define text in other programming languages, there are options where we can use string. So maybe we can use a string in double quotes to be more clear whether it is a string or a text. So if you define a text, it will only take a text. But when you define a string, it will take both text and the number, right? So let's go step by step so that we don't do any mistake at any level. So, we are going to go further with another scenario wherein I do not want any data entry, especially for the alphabets, to be in the lowercase or in the uppercase. Now, that may be a scenario which may come, I want to highlight the title of the report. So the title of the report must be in the uppercase. So there can be a check on that also, which will actually allow me not to enter the lowercase text in the column, and vice versa. We will do both the options right now. So let's have a scenario now wherein I do not want to enter the text in the lowercase or in the uppercase first. So if I go back to my screen, I select that column, and in this particular case, I'm going to enter the text which is only in the uppercase. Though there are other formulas which can be used without validation also, but that is separate from validation. In those cases, we are not validating the data which is entered. In this case, what we are doing, we are actually trying to validate the data which is already entered or which is going to be entered in future, right? So there is a different, because there are functions that we can use otherwise also, because we have a text called as function called as upper. So upper function will only allow you to have the upper text in the column in the Excel. Similarly, we have lower. So lower will only allow you to have the lowercase alphabets in the column. But we want to use this particular function as a validation criteria. And we're going to do some programming with the help of 2 or more functions and ensure that whatever data we enter over here, that is not entered in the lowercase but in the uppercase. All right. Please remember, Excel will give you many options. But since we have limited options and limited time over here, I will try to do many more with you. But let's do